Changing your car's brake pads is an essential maintenance task that keeps your vehicle safe and performing at its best. Over time, brake pads wear down and can reduce braking efficiency and damage your rotors if not replaced. Here is a step-by-step guide to changing your brake pads yourself and saving money. Start by parking your car on a flat, level surface to ensure stability while you work. Engage the parking brake to prevent the vehicle from moving. Before lifting the car, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you will be working on. This makes it easier to remove the wheel once the car is raised. Once the lug nuts have been loosened, place the jack under the car at the proper jacking point and lift the vehicle until the wheel is off the ground. Secure the car with jack stands to ensure it stays stable and safe while you work. After the car is supported, remove the lug nuts completely and take off the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Locate the brake caliper, which is the component that holds the brake pads in place. Use the appropriate socket or wrench to loosen and remove the bolts securing the caliper. Once the bolts are out, carefully slide the caliper off the brake rotor. Be sure not to let it hang from the brake hose. Instead, support it by hanging it with a bungee cord or resting it on a stable surface to prevent any strain or damage to the hose. Once you have removed the caliper, the brake pads should slide out easily from their slots. Before taking them out completely, take a moment to inspect their condition and note how they are positioned. This will help you correctly install the new pads in the same orientation for proper fit and function. Before installing the new brake pads, you'll need to create space for them by compressing the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a brake caliper tool to slowly push the piston back into the caliper until it's fully retracted. This will make room for the thicker new pads. Once the piston is compressed, slide the new brake pads into the same position as the old ones, making sure they are properly aligned and securely seated in their slots. After the new brake pads are in place, carefully position the caliper back over them and secure it by tightening the bolts firmly. Once the caliper is reattached, put the wheel back onto the hub and hand tighten the lug nuts to hold it in place. Lower the car from the jack stands using the jack, and once it's safely on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts with a wrench to ensure the wheel is secure. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your car's brake pads yourself, saving money on labor costs while keeping your vehicle safe and performing at its best. A well-maintained braking system reduces unnecessary drag, contributing to improved fuel economy.